Good afternoon, marsupials and other mammals, on January 23rd, 2024. Very interesting 24 hours for the markets. Looking here at ETH, as you can see, it's broken structure. And really, this is on the daily. And really, for the first time in a long time, as we bring it up here, looking at our EMAs, we see right back here to 21st of October, essentially 3 months, this structure's been holding intact, apart from the odd deviation here and here particularly, and we'll talk about that soon. But as you can see, it has broken that structure. And now we're looking to see what happens today and today's markets to see where we go from here. So as you'll see, we've got wicks here, and this wick extends down to 2044. These wicks like to get filled, and this one hasn't gotten filled, and it's a perfect time for it to do so in the current market conditions, with confidence down with Bitcoin, with GBTC selling a whole heap every day, that the big nine are having doing as much as they can to absorb, but it's still putting downward pressure because there's still selling going on in the general market. Despite TradFi being up and all the indices looking good in that regard, and I'll just quickly flip over there, as you can see, the VIX is down, S&P's up, Nasdaq's up, Dixie's down, and Dow Jones is up. I mean, all good indices and have been trending the right way. And yet we see our market, the crypto market, is down. So we have to go with what we're presented with and what the data shows. So here we go. We're watching this here to see. We've broken the 21 EMA on the D1. We've touched the 50 EMA, and the close of the 50 EMA was 23.23. The daily close was 23.14, so we closed below that. Now let's see what happens today. Are we going to bounce back? Are we going to confirm that close to show us where the market's going to go? It will show us. But anyway, we'll see what happens at the close, which is about 3/4 of the day left to go. So as I was just saying before, we're looking at our liquidations chart to give us an idea here. And there's nothing to indicate here on the liquidations that we finished. We're still in a descending channel. There's a bit of a blip here. That's fine. Really nothing to see here, so to speak. I'm expecting that will continue on in this trend later tonight when the US market opens. Having a look at liquidity and where the targets are, looking at the 1 day, now we've had that clear out of the longs. As you can see, this gap here, we've had that clear out. We've still got some longs pressing up, new longs coming in here. Current price 23.49 at the time of publication. There is plenty of liquidity down here around that 2300 still. And I won't be surprised, given the current market trend, if that gets tagged in the next 24 hours. And you can see, though, there is still a lot of liquidity here and liquidity coming into the upside. So the longs, whilst they're getting targeted, the shorts don't want to get too cocky because they could be next. And we've got some big spikes up here around 24.10. And I expect those spikes to continue to be added to in volume and number as the price continues to go down, as inevitably shorts decide that they are the oracles of the universe and nothing's ever going to harm them. Well, they better just watch out. Not that I'm a bull or a bear, I'm just looking at the data. And then we go across to King Bitcoin, and you see more so than Ethereum, because, and I'll get to the ETH BTC chart in a minute, ETH breaking out. So ETH essentially is not being as harmed, so to speak, by Bitcoin, although the whole market is affected by Bitcoin. You can see here, Bitcoin has been below the 50 EMA for some time and is heading towards the 200 EMA, dare I say it, which is at 35,325 at the moment. I won't be surprised if that gets tagged either in a wick, more likely, or a daily close. It could happen, but I'm expecting that a wick could occur down to that 35 if we get a cascade of selling and liquidations. We shall see. Then we get across to the ETH BTC, which will eventually load, hopefully. And it will show, and like I said, it will show that the bull flag that I've been talking about on Twitter, that was looking really good, has completely broken down. That pattern has been validated. you can see that it's coming back towards the 200 EMA here, and we'll see what happens, how it reacts off that level. But at the moment, it's above that level. Again, we use the data. We're guided by the data. So ETH is still looking healthier than BTC, apart from this current sell-off. So we shall see what happens. So again, this is financial advice. Please like and subscribe to the channel. This is Old Bloke Crypto. Until next time, thank you.